Hey everyone, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and a setup for the Flip Ultra Camcorder. So here's the box, let's open it up. So that's a nice little box right there, opens up. Here's the camera. I already put the batteries in it. Here's what came inside the box. This is just a camera holder, and here are all the instructions. So right here it says when you plug in your camera, that's when you get the software. Let's take a closer look at the camera. So here it is. To get the batteries in, you unlock it, pull this down. I already put them in. That back on, lock it. Here's your HDMI port. There's the USB. There's how you record. That's basically it. This is for its tripod. This is for a wrist strap, power button. Here, let's turn it on. So here it is. This is the 4GB version. It has an hour. This is HD 720p. Takes really good video. To get to the menu, you have to turn it on and hold the center button. So here's this. It says English, language, date, time, tones. I have them off right now, and the recording light. Save. So this is basically what it looks like. Let's get into the setup. So now I'm just going to plug this into my computer. And now I'm going to switch to Camtasia for the on-screen recording. So now I have plugged in my camcorder, and I'm gonna go open folder to view files. So I'm just going to install this. I think I'll stop here and come back when I have it installed. So I had to reboot after the installation, and when I plugged my camera back in, while I was rebooting, I went and I recorded a short clip, and when I plugged it back in, this automatically came up. So I'm gonna see what we have here. Here's the clip I recorded. So yep, that's, you can save it to computer, play full screen. Okay, let's see. Very nice quality. So we're not gonna watch that. There's movies where after you create a movie, this is where you can watch them. That's really basically it. Yeah. So this was just a video about the Flip Ultra camera. I did realize that you can actually hear sound from the camera, and there is no it's all digital zoom, there's no optical zoom. So yeah, that's basically it. Stay tuned for a review, and thanks for watching. I will play the clip that I recorded at the end of this video. Have a good day.
Wow, 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 wow. 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 Wow, 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 wow.